Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Monday, July 13th, 2026. Let's dive into the details of today's market action. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Today, all major indexes closed down. The S&P 500 index ended at 7,515.90, dropping 59.49 points. Similarly, Dow 30 index slipped 138.37 points to close at 52,498.64. Meanwhile, Nasdaq Composite Index declined sharply by 408.43 points, marking a 1.5% drop, closing at 25,873.18. Examining market breadth, the S&P 500 had more advances than declines today, with 274 advances versus 213 declines. The Nasdaq saw a mixed trend, having 1,059 advances, but significantly larger declines at 1,766, pointing towards a broader downward sentiment across the index. In terms of returns, the S&P 500 saw a negative weekly return of 0.78%. Overall, year-to-date, the index shows a positive streak, with a robust gain of nearly 9.8%. Such mixed performances continue to define the market landscape this year. In sector performance, the energy sector led with a 3.1% increase, closing at 866.24. The utilities and financial services sectors also gained, up 0.67% and 0.61% respectively, marking a consecutive rise for these sectors. Conversely, the technology sector saw a significant decline, dropping 2% and closing at 6,649.96. Similarly, the communication services sector fell by 0.95%, with most declines following a mixed positive trend. Indonesia emerged as a top performer among global markets, with its ETF gaining 1% to close at 11.98. This marked a breakout, reversing from a 4-day flat streak. Meanwhile, Norway followed close with a 0.77% rise. In terms of returns, Indonesia saw strong weekly and monthly returns. Contrastingly, its year-to-date return has dropped significantly by 35.94%. This pattern underscores varying forces affecting market momentum in regions across the globe. In tech movers, Apple reached a new all-time higher close at 317.31, rising 1.99 with upward volatility. Alphabet fell by 4.36 to 350.67, marking a fifth consecutive down day. Amazon saw an upward breakout, closing at 247.31, up 1.97. Meta Platforms dropped 12.48 to 656.73, despite maintaining a strong positive trend, while Nvidia closed down 7.43 at 203.53 amidst a flat price movement recently.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at $62,156.52, down 1,583.80 in today's trading, marking 3 consecutive days of decline in a very strong negative trend. Ethereum also sees losses, standing at 1,767.11, a drop of 38.40, demonstrating a mixed negative trend. BNB faces a similar fate with a current price of 565.2, plummeting by 8.64 after falling in price for 3 days straight. Noticeably, BNB has experienced a downward breakout following days of stability. Solana is trading at 74.83, down by 2.5, showcasing a mixed negative trend after a downward breakout. As for Dogecoin, it's at 0.0718, losing 0.00092. It's approaching an all-time lower close, continuing a very strong negative trend, despite staying flat for the past 6 days. When it comes to returns, Bitcoin has seen a weekly decline of 2.48% and a year-to-date drop of 28.96%. Ethereum is also down 21.27% for the week and 40.44% on the year. BNB is posting a 1.51% weekly decline and a 34.58% loss year-to-date. Meanwhile, Solana's week is down by 2.67%, with a year-to-date negative return of 39.87%. Finally, Dogecoin dropped by 1.27% for the week, nearing an all-time lower close last seen on June 30th. It's running negative 38.79% year-to-date.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar strengthened across several currencies today. Against the euro, it's up 0.0013 to 0.8785, marking a very strong upward trend over 3 consecutive days. Similarly, it rose against the pound by 0.0019 to 0.7493, breaking a prior sideways movement. The dollar climbed 0.386 to stand at 162.4500 against the yen, showcasing a powerful positive trend. It's currently pushing towards a one-year high against the Swiss franc, up 0.0048 to 0.8147, accompanied by robust volatility. Additionally, the Aussie has experienced an upward departure from a flat range, with the dollar priced at 1.4455, up 0.0028 today.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.